Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making one of my favorite street chaat recipe, Masala Puri. Let's see how to do it. Into some green peas add some potatoes and pressure cook it. Into another pan add some oil, add cinnamon, cloves and some cumin seeds. Roast it for some time, then add finely chopped onion, ginger, garlic and 1 green chili and 1 tomato. Cook it really well till the tomatoes gets mushy. If you want more spiciness for your masala puri, you can add more green chilies to it. With this, add some mint leaves and coriander leaves and make it into a fine paste. Now our green peas and potatoes have cooked really well. Mash it using a vegetable masher. Now into the same pan add some more oil, add turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala and some cumin powder. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the onion and tomato paste. Saute it for some time till the raw smell goes. Into that add the cooked green peas and potato mix with some water and boil it. If you want your masala puri to be a bit more liquidy, you can add more water and boil it. You can add some amchur powder at this point of time because I was really missing the tangy flavor in my chaat. So later I added some lemon juice to it, but you can add amchur powder for the special tangy flavor. Finally add enough salt and some chaat masala. Give it a mix. Now our masala is ready. Now let's assemble it. So crush some puris into the serving plate. Add the masala on top. Add finely chopped tomatoes. Add finely chopped onion. Finely chopped coriander leaves. And finally lots of save. The masala puri is ready to dig in. From the convenience of your home, you may enjoy this mouth-watering Karnataka street food, Masala Puri. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.